Cool People in Hot Places by Tessely Jen. Cool people in hot places. Does the weather ever feel too hot to you? In hot weather, the temperature is high. What do you do when the temperature is high? How do you stay cool in hot weather? Some people have hot weather often. People in these places have ways to stay cool. Coober Pedy, Australia. This is a place where the weather gets hot. What do the people do to stay cool? Some people build underground homes here. Sunlight can't reach underground. The houses are cooler underground with no sunlight. Cappadocia, Turkey. This is a place where the weather gets hot. What do the people do to stay cool? The people who live here build into the sides of cliffs. The cliffs make shade. Sunlight does not shine on the buildings very much. The buildings are cooler in the shade. Santorini, Greece. This is a place where the weather gets hot. What do the people do to stay cool? People paint their houses white and other pale colors. They paint all the surfaces, the walls and the roofs too. In the sunlight, pale surfaces don't get as warm as dark surfaces do. Pale surfaces make the houses cooler. Bangkok, Thailand. This is a place where the weather gets hot. What do you think the people do to stay cool? People build houses with roofs to make shade. The houses also have open spaces to let fresh air come in. Air can even come under the houses. The houses are cooler with shade and lots of fresh air. Ghadames, Libya. This is a place where the weather gets hot. What do the people do to stay cool? People build roofs over the sidewalks between the buildings. The roofs make shade. The sidewalks are cooler in the shade. Nizwa, Oman. This is a place where the weather gets hot. What do the people do to stay cool? People wear clothing in pale colors. When sunlight shines on them, pale colors don't get as warm as dark colors do. Pale colors help keep people cool in the sunlight. Asheville, North Carolina. This is a place where the weather gets hot. What do the people do to stay cool? When it gets too hot, people set up cooling centers with sprayers. The sprayers send out tiny drops of cool water. The water helps people cool off. All around the world, people have different ways to stay cool in hot weather. Some wear pale clothing, some find shade, some even live underground. What do you do to stay cool? This has been a reading of Cool People in Hot Places.